What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, I am back to this location. I can't wait to go inside, but first, I have to come on over and put a little something in the garbage can. You guys already know. Let's head in. I love this location so much. Oh man, glad I'm here on a Monday. Let's head in, you guys. Hi. Got some lights out today. Setting the ambiance. Okay, you guys, let's see if we have anything new over here. We have pretty much the same items I've been showing you guys lately, minus the earrings. What's this? Strawberry lip balm. We have pineapple lip balm. There's a buzz. There's like a happiness in here today. I can feel it and hear it already. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the pillows. We have the little sage green, the turquoise, the pink, the white. We have the solar dancers. Those are new. Ooh, you guys, look at these. You guys, these go for a lot more at Walmart. We have the strawberries and cream, 30 grams of protein, premier protein. We look, you guys, cases and cases. We also have peaches and cream, 30 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar. Okay, you guys, also look what we have. I am so excited. This location usually never has the full size and the family size cereals, but we have Fruity Lucky Charms this week. Fruity Lucky Charms, no way. And we have Vanilla Vibe family size Minions cereal. Look at that, you guys. 16 ounces. What? Oh yeah, you guys. I'm about to stock up my cart. I'm really happy about that. Also, we have brand new Lay's stacks in zesty queso. And then we also have cheddar. The cheddar's usually here, but these go for, I want to say, about $1.57 each at Walmart. So these being here, it's a really great deal. I mean, already we found the cereals, the Lay's stacks, the Premier protein. They have cases of them here, 2 different flavors. We even have Bangs here, Citrus Twist. We have Froze Rose Super Creatine. We have, what else? I guess just those 2. No, and we have Champagne, Potent Brain, and Body Fuel. So Citrus Twist, Champagne, and Froze Rose. I'm really excited about those. I actually want to try one today. But yeah, you guys, I am gonna put some of these in my cart, and then I'm gonna go on the summer fun aisle. I can't wait to see what's over there. Apologies, you guys, if my video ends up being a little dark, but almost all of the lights are out in my location. I don't know what's going on, if they're on a generator or what's going on, but look, you guys, we have Cocoa Puff Brownie Crunch. What, you guys? 10.4 ounces. We have all the name brands this week. Well, not all of them, but a few of them. I'm really happy about these. We have more of the Fruity Lucky Charms down there. Cuckoo for Brownie Crunch. I definitely want to get some of these. I think I actually just need this box because I only come out to this location every 2 to 3 weeks, and my kids go through a lot of cereal. That's not all they eat for breakfast, but you guys know how it is. I have a teenage son, need I say more. We have so many new flower picks. bubble flying disc with dipping tray. All of the Memorial Day stuff. Are we losing more lights? Getting more lights? What's going on? We have the little tiki torches. What are they calling them? Bamboo torches. Those are here. Home of the free because of the brave. Patriotic towels. Okay, let's come on over this way. Ooh, 100 count. $1, you guys. These are just the water balloons with the little nozzle. Looks like the Copperware little sets are still here. The As Seen on TV. Oh, and these are new. You guys, look at these. Lavender infused exfoliating bath mitts. And we have coconut infused. Those are cute. Okay. We have the hats, little hats, bucket hats, all of the water toys. Hey, you guys, I guess that means all of my videos are going to be kind of dark this week because I'm basically filming in the dark. YouTube, don't punish me. I mean, what am I going to do? The lights are out, you guys. Oh, I just saw these in Family Dollar. These were $2 in Family Dollar. These things are kind of cool. Sky catcher. This would be a good toy for an only child, or like for Gator, where he has older siblings that may not, you know, want to hang out with him all the time. Wow, there's so much garden stuff, you guys. So many pots. We have the little watering containers you guys were asking about. Oh, it says Bloom. 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 We have it in gray. Yep, you guys, we don't have many lights. Mom, your love has no limits. That's so cute. All the Mother's Day cards, 2 for $1 Mother's Day cards. I am really, really, really excited about all the name brand cereals because it's been quite a while since I've seen any name brand cereals, especially the full size ones in Dollar Tree. Oh, these are back. The stretchy multi-purpose bandanas. These always came out every year. This is not like a pandemic thing. We always use these for covering our heads when we would go out in the woods or go on a trail, hike or something like that. Because, you know, we have ticks out here in the Midwest. Yeah, these are really cute. Oh, what are these? We have more kids masks, and the material looks really thick and nice. Look at that, you guys. It's not that stretchy material, that stretchy thin material. Aw, look at these, you guys. These are really super nice. Look at that. They feel so thick. I'm trying to see if we have any other varieties. Okay, we have a black one. It says it includes 3 filters. Kids size. I think I'm gonna get this one for Gator. What else do we have? Let's just set it here so I can take a look. Let's go into the light, you guys. Okay. We have pink and white.
To the front, please.
We have camo. We have little, I don't know, ninjas, dinosaurs. I think that's a navy. Maybe I should get a couple for Gator. Hopefully they're not going to be too tiny though. "95% cotton, 5% spandex." Yeah, I want to get a couple of those for him. Let me go take them back. Back to their spot. Promise me, you guys, you'll watch all my videos this week, even though it's dark in here. Please promise me you'll still watch. Wow. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start the next video, figure out what else we have that's brand new. Looks like these are still here. The casemates are still here. But I never did find any that fit my phone. Wow. Okay, you guys, well, I'm gonna start the next video, so join me on the very next aisle. We're gonna look at more new items here in Dollar Tree. Hey, maybe we'll even get lucky and the lights will come on. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.